etc. If I'm new to self-employment, what counts as allowance expenses? So is it home office, equipment, travel? What can I reasonably claim and what proof should I keep?
So there's a general ruling on HMRC. There's no ruling say anything cannot be a business expense. The ruling is as long as it's wholly and exclusively for the purpose of business and it's relevant to pushing your business forwards and there's no personal use or gain from the expense, it then becomes a business expense. To give you an example of this, yes, you've got home office written down. HMRC do allow £312 a year for that expense. Yes, as long as it's used for business. For example, the headphones we're using, the laptops we're on, that sort of thing can be a business expense. Travel is a slight grey area, I guess, because people think you can travel to, I don't know, a conference in Ibiza. The conference is one day, but you're there for a week, and HMRC are going to ask, why are you there for a week if the conference is there for a day? They would disallow that expense if that's the case. They want you to be there for the conference. And maybe you can have a day either side. Obviously, you do the traveling, etc. Then it becomes an allowable expense.
Okay, what about the proof?
Does
What
that make
should they?
sense?
Yeah, sure. What proof should you keep of these expenses?
Typically, receipts is what HMRC would ask for if they investigated you. With the traveling thing, it's a case of they want evidence of you being in a certain place for a certain reason. For example, you come to Manchester to shoot a podcast. Proof of who you shot the podcast with, what was the purpose of it, did it move the business forward, and that sort of thing.
Okay. What about let's just bank statement? Is that fine? Or do you have to have a receipt?
No. Receipt, bank statements typically won't pass HMRC investigations because, say, for example, you purchase something from Amazon and you've got a bank statement to prove that. But the reality is you can purchase pretty much anything from Amazon, so it doesn't actually detail what you've actually purchased.